Hello friends, welcome to my channel Analog Digital Academy, and now we will focus on this circuit. So here is the resistance circuit. This is the combination of both parallel and series resistance combination. So here you can see here current is given in this circuit but voltage is unknown. So we have to calculate the voltage of this circuit, total voltage given to this circuit. So as you can see here, this combination of the resistance are in parallel and these are in the series, and the calculation of parallel combination of this circuit will be make the series combination remaining two resistance here. So you can see here, so we can calculate the direct using the direct parallel formula to calculate the combination of these 10 ohm into 10 ohm, 10 plus 10 equal to 100 divided by 20 equal to 5. So here you can see here the combination of equivalent this parallel circuit will be 5 ohm resistance, and 5 ohm resistance will be in this series remaining 2 resistance. So here is the equivalent resistance. So 10 plus 5 is equivalent 25. So we have 25 ohm resistance here and current in the circuit. So two value we have and third value is unknown. So by the ohm formula we have equivalent resistance 25 ohm and current 2 ampere. By the Ohm's law, R equal to V upon I. So R and I is known. So we have to calculate the voltage. So voltage will be R into I. So 25 into 2 equal to 50 volt. So voltage across here will be 50 volt. Here will be 50 volt. So here is 50 volt and current in the circuit is 2 ampere. So what will be the voltage drop here? As per the Ohm's law, voltage into current. So 2 ampere into 10 ohm will be 20 volt here drop in this resistance, and this is also 10 ohm resistance, 20 volt here will be drop. So what will be the voltage here at this point? The total voltage is 50 volt as per calculation, 50 volt. So 50 volt minus this, we can assume it V1 and V2, this voltage. So here will be 50 minus V1 minus V2 equal to 10 volt. So here will be 10 volt current. So you know the voltage here, so you can calculate the current in these resistance also. So these, because you have the known voltage here, so you can calculate the current in this resistance and this resistance. Both resistance are same, so current will be same here in both resistance. So suppose this is R1 and this is R2. So voltage across R1, sorry, current across R1 will be 10 volt divided by 10 ohm, 1 ampere. Same will be in R2, voltage across R2 and divided by resistance ohm will be 1 ampere. So here will be 1 ampere here and 1 ampere here, and here will be combination of both current 2 ampere. So 2 ampere is exit from the circuit and 2 amperes is entering in the circuit. So I hope you got the circuit. And if you want to calculate the voltage across the resistance, so what is the formula of voltage? P equal V upon V into I. You can also write it I square R. You can calculate it as per V square by R. So these are the voltage formula of the resistance. You can calculate for each resistance, because we have the voltage across the resistance known, we have the current known, we have the resistance value also known. So you can calculate by any formula. You can use any formula. So friends, I hope you got this circuit. If you got this circuit, so please like my video and subscribe it and wait for the another video. Thank you.